my people, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with a list of essential pregnancy hacks to help you make it through those 9 months of discomfort and crazy symptoms that we all know as pregnancy. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So the first hacks in this video are all going to have to do with handling pregnancy symptoms. The first of these being leg cramps. Now, if you've ever had a Charlie horse or a leg cramp during pregnancy, you know that they are the worst, probably the worst cramping sensation you've ever had in your life. A quick trick to put an end to these leg cramps is to simply flutter your foot as fast as you can up and down whenever you feel one coming on. So usually this will redirect the nerve impulses and stop the cramp from becoming severe. If it's too late and the Charlie horse has already taken hold, you can quickly remedy it by pressing your foot against a cold surface. So use like a tile floor or a bathtub, and it should make the muscle relax pretty quickly. So while we're on the subject of sleep, let's talk about pregnancy insomnia. If you have trouble falling asleep or staying asleep, you should try out some magnesium oil. Simply spray it on the bottoms of your feet before you go to sleep. It will help you relax and fall asleep quickly. Now my next hack goes out to all you mamas who are tired of strangers approaching you to ask questions about your bump. You know the main three: is it a boy or a girl? When are you due? And is this your first? Now, if you're tired of talking about that to people you don't know, then maybe you should try wearing some interesting accessories. So I have found that by adding this Jord watch to my wardrobe, that people will approach me to talk about my watch as opposed to my bump. I get so many questions about it, and it's just been a really great change of topic. Now I am hosting a giveaway in this video for a $100 gift card to the Jord website. So click the link below to enter to win that. This watch is great for pregnant women and non-pregnant women alike. It will come with a few extra links, so if you experience swelling during your pregnancy, you can continue to wear it, which is really awesome. So my watch is from the Dover series, but if you win the gift card, you'll be able to pick any watch from their website, including from the men and women's collections. This is totally gorgeous, so make sure you click that link, and best of luck to everyone who entered. So this next hack is for those of you who don't want to spend a crazy amount of money on a maternity pillow. So to create your own, all you'll need are 3 standard size pillows. Just place one for your head, put one between your knees to help support your hips, and then press one up against your back to hold you in the optimal sleeping position. This hack is also great for travel because who wants to fly with a giant maternity pillow? You can do this in any hotel and it's just as good. Next, we're going to talk about fatigue. Now, all those late nights and growing a human are bound to make you tired, but did you know that if your fatigue tends to peak between 3 and 5 in the afternoon, it could be a sign that you're not drinking enough water. As a pregnant woman, you should be drinking at least 3 liters of water a day. So one trick that I use is to get this pre-measured 32-ounce bottle. I got mine from the 99-cent store, so it wasn't really much of an investment. And I just try to drink at least one of these by 9 or 10 in the morning, a second one by noon or 1 in the afternoon, and then finish my last one by 5 p.m. Not only does this cut down on my pregnancy fatigue, but it also makes sure that I get most of my hydration in before the evening, so I'm not up all night going to the bathroom. If you are one of those people who is up all night going to the bathroom, it may surprise you to know that you might not be fully emptying your bladder each time that you go. So a quick trick to help you to fully empty when you go to the bathroom and make those trips worthwhile is to add a couple drops of peppermint oil to the toilet before you go. The vapors from this will help you to fully dilate your urethra and actually empty more urine out of your bladder. Another quick trick is to simply spread your legs apart while you're going to the bathroom and lean forward as far as you can. You can also press on your lower abdomen while you do this, and this will give your bladder some support from the outside and give it the space it needs to empty all the way. If you have to pee while you're stuck in traffic, a little distraction can buy you some time. By grazing the pointer finger of one hand across the wrist of your other hand, you can temporarily distract your brain from the strong urge to go. If you suffer from an itchy belly during pregnancy, this hack is for you. Your temptation might be to scratch away as hard as you can at your stomach, but as we all know, this is not the best way to go about things. Instead, try these super awesome exfoliating gloves. You can get them at a Korean market or on Amazon for just $1 or $2. They are gentle on the skin and they exfoliate just the top layer of dead skin cells off, so they're sure to keep you from feeling itchy. I usually do this in the shower. I just get them wet and rub them in a circular motion around my stomach a couple times a week, and then after I'm done, I'll add an oil-based moisturizer or even a body oil to my stomach, and that usually keeps me itch-free for a couple of days at a time. If you suffer from swollen feet during pregnancy, one of the best remedies is to have a partner or a friend massage them for you. Sometimes this takes a little persuasion.
Are you sure this works?
Yeah, it says right here that if you rub my feet every day, that our baby will be 10 times smarter. Now these next hacks are all clothing hacks aimed at making getting dressed in the morning a little bit easier. Now we all know that old trick of using a hair tie to make your jeans stretch just a little bit farther. But did you know you could also make your own maternity band? Simply take an old or inexpensive tank top and cut off the bottom 2/3 of it. Then pull it up over the waistband of those non-maternity jeans and you are ready to rock. The elastic in the bottom of the tank top will help to hold up your pants, and this will also add length to some of your non-maternity shirts so that you can wear them just a little bit longer. If you are out and about and you find that your bra has suddenly become suffocatingly snug, then give this hack a try. Grab a paper clip and use it to extend your bra by looping it through the hooks on one end and hooking it to the hooks on the other side. This should buy you some time until you can get some bra extenders or a bigger bra. Now, if you don't want to invest in any expensive maternity clothes, some great non-maternity pieces that'll carry you through pregnancy are a pencil skirt and a maxi skirt. Now, you don't want to wear these the traditional way, low on your waist. A good trick is to take a t-shirt and tuck it in and then pull the skirt up over your bump. This will give you the effect of having a fancy maternity dress that will outline your new figure and will keep it from looking too frumpy. These types of skirts are great because they're super comfortable after the baby comes as well. This last clothing hack is for those of you who can only now fit in your partner's t-shirts. You don't have to look frumpy in a big giant t-shirt that belongs to your husband. You can make it look a lot cuter as well. Just put the t-shirt on and simply tie a side knot high on one of your hips. Once you tuck in the tail, you can roll up the sleeves of the shirt, and this will outline the bump and look like a cute maternity shirt as opposed to your partner's frumpy, oversized t-shirt. If you find that you're suffering from a lot of low back pain during the day, then you might want to look at how you're moving your body around. One of the biggest culprits for low back pain during pregnancy is keeping your legs too far apart when you're getting in and out of your car and in and out of your bed. I know this sounds crazy, but if you make a conscious effort to keep your knees together as you get out of your car or you get up from a chair and use your legs together to stand up, this will significantly cut down on your low back pain. Now, my last hack of the day is to get all of the free baby stuff that you possibly can while you are pregnant. If you haven't already seen my video about how to get free baby stuff, I will link it down below. It's a great resource for finding awesome places to get stuff for free for your baby. In addition to that, if you have insurance, please know that you might qualify for free or reduced cost chiropractic care, acupuncture, free breast pumps, and even a free Mama Strut postpartum support belt. I'm going to link all of that information in the description as well. So definitely check that out if you are an expecting mom. Alright everyone, so I hope you enjoyed this list of pregnancy hacks. I have way more that I wasn't able to fit into this video, so if you like this kind of video, please give it a thumbs up and I will make another one with the rest of the hacks to help you through these 9 months. And I will see you in the next one. Also, don't forget to enter that Jord giveaway. I have put the link right in the top of the description and all you have to do is click it, and I believe you enter your email and your name and you're entered to win. And until next time, over and out.